the future technology, has always been at the heart of human progress. From the invention of the wheel to the rise of artificial intelligence, every advancement has reshaped the way we live, work, and connect. As we move deeper into the 21st century, the future of technology promises to be even more transformative, pushing the boundaries of innovation and imagination. Artificial intelligence and automation. Artificial intelligence, AI, is set to become one of the most powerful drivers of future change. From smart personal assistants to advanced robotics, AI will revolutionize industries by automating tasks, increasing efficiency, and solving problems once thought impossible. While this will create new opportunities, it may also reshape the job market, requiring humans to adapt and learn new skills. The rise of the metaverse. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are evolving into what is known as the metaverse, a digital world where people can work, socialize, and play. This future promises immersive experiences that blur the line between physical and digital realities, transforming entertainment, education, and even business operations. Sustainable and green technologies. As climate change becomes an urgent concern, the future of technology will focus heavily on sustainability. Innovations in renewable energy, electric vehicles, and smart cities will help reduce environmental impact. Technology will not only shape human convenience, but also protect the planet for generations to come. Biotechnology and healthcare advancements. Medical technology will see groundbreaking progress with genetic engineering, personalized medicine, and nanotechnology. These innovations could cure diseases, extend human lifespans, and improve overall well-being, bringing healthcare into a new era of precision and effectiveness. Space exploration and beyond. The future of technology will not be limited to Earth. Companies like SpaceX and NASA are pushing humanity toward interplanetary travel. Colonizing Mars, mining asteroids, and exploring distant galaxies may no longer be science fiction, but a realistic future goal. The challenges ahead. With rapid innovation also come challenges. Issues like data privacy, cybersecurity, ethical use of AI, and the digital divide must be addressed. The technology future must balance progress with responsibility to ensure it benefits all of humanity. Conclusion. The future of technology is both exciting and uncertain. It holds the potential to solve humanity's greatest problems and to open doors to possibilities we cannot yet imagine. As we step into this future, one thing is clear: technology will continue to shape the world in ways beyond our imagination, and our responsibility is to guide it wisely.